today I will be showing you infused water drinks or detox water for weight loss, clear skin, preventing bloating, and also if you're aiming for a flat stomach, this can help as well. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first recipe, I will use lemon and ginger. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. It helps control weight, supports weight loss, it aids in digestion, and it improves your skin quality. While ginger can prevent bloating, it contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help muscle and joint problems. So for this recipe, it is best to use warm water. So in here, I will put in the ginger and then the lemon. Now you can use the juice of the lemon here if you want to, but if you're just using this just for one mug, then you can follow this proportion. But if you're making a lot, you can increase your proportion and probably include the juice of the lemon if you can. Now this water-infused lemon and ginger drink is not only good for weight loss, but also for clearing out your skin, and it is a great remedy for sore throat, flu, and cold as well. Okay, so for the next detox water, we are going to use an orange, calamansi, or if you don't have calamansi in your country, you can also use lime, and then a cucumber. Now, orange is rich in vitamin C. It helps prevent skin damage, reduce wrinkles, and improve overall skin texture, while the calamansi increases collagen production because it contains a high amount of vitamin C. It also helps keep your kidney healthy, and it aids in building immunity against cold, flu, fever, and as well in losing weight. And the cucumber contains antioxidant, it promotes hydration, and is a good source of fiber. Also, it provides potassium and magnesium. So same thing, I just filled in the glass with water, and then I'm just adding in all of the ingredients in. And sometimes I like to infuse them for 2 to 3 hours or longer before drinking it, just so that you can really taste all of the flavors of the infused fruits. And you can also add in ice if you want to. Okay, so the third recipe is probably one of my favorites because this contains mango. So all you need here is a mango, lemon, and an orange. Now I've explained the benefits of the orange and the lemon, so I'll just explain the health benefits of the mangoes. So mangoes are once again a great source of vitamin A and vitamin C. It also contains folate, B6, iron, and a little calcium, zinc, and vitamin E. Mangoes promotes a healthy gut, it boosts immunity, promotes eye health, lowers cholesterol, and it helps clear the skin. So in here, I'm going to put a lot of mangoes, and then I also added in the oranges and then the lemon. If you love mangoes, you definitely like this infused water. Okay, so for the fourth recipe, we are going to use lemon and cayenne pepper. Now, cayenne pepper is great for boosting metabolism, aids in digestive health, it can help curb cravings. So once again, it's good to use warm water with this. And this time, instead of just using the lemon fruit, I will squeeze the juice of the lemon and then add in a pinch of cayenne pepper. Also, there's no need to add a lot, especially if you cannot handle the spiciness or you don't like the taste of the cayenne pepper. As long as there's an amount of cayenne pepper there, then that's totally okay, and you can just increase it if you get used to the flavor and if you can tolerate it. And also you can add in more of the lemons if you want to. Now this combination of detox water is actually a great cleanse for your body. Okay, so for the fifth recipe, you'll need an apple, calamansi, and then mint. Okay, so since I don't have mint leaves here with me, I will be using my peppermint essential oils here. Apples are really great to add in this infused water because apples are extremely rich in important antioxidants, flavonoids, and dietary fibers, and it is also great for lowering bad cholesterol. And also the health benefits of mint: it eases digestive upset, help relieve digestive symptoms such as bloating and indigestion. So that's what it looks like right there, and this is actually one of those refreshing and cooling drinks that you'd surely enjoy drinking any time of the day. Okay, so for the last detox water recipe, you'll still need an apple, but this time I'm adding in a pear, orange, and cucumber. Now, I decided to add in some pears here because pears are great for the skin. It also includes prebiotics, which promotes overall digestive health. It has some anti-inflammatory properties, and it may help you lose weight as well. So in here, I'm gonna put as many fruits as I can, and as I've said, you can add in ice if you want to. And actually, out from the detox water that we just made, this is probably one of the sweet water drinks that is delectable to consume, especially if you have a sweet tooth like me. So that is it, you guys. Let me know if you like more of these health related videos, because I'd love to make more of these types of videos in the future. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And once again, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!